Hi, I'm Alicia Cahill with Galveston.com TV, and today we're exploring Pier 21. It's a waterfront entertainment and dining district located on Galveston's historic harbor, just a few quick steps away from the Galveston Cruise Terminals, Katie's Seafood, and the shrimp boat Mosquito Fleet. With so many things to see and do, we can't afford to lose any time at all. Let's go take a look. First, let's talk about boats. If you're into thrills, Galveston Water Adventures jet boat ride is for you. 20 minutes of spins and turns will get your adrenaline pumping. Wow! There are also several boats offering eco tours of the harbor. On most trips, you're able to get up close with playful dolphins and other marine life. These tours are great for the entire family. And when the sun starts to set, a sunset cruise is perfect for couples wanting a romantic evening or a group of friends wanting to unwind. The 1877 tall ship ELISA is a must-see. Explore the decks of this floating National Historic Landmark. Walk ELISA's decks and imagine the days when daring sailors challenged the world's oceans. The ELISA is docked at the Texas Seaport Museum, which tells the story of a rich legacy of seaborne commerce and immigration. Visitors may look for ancestors on its computer database containing the names of more than 133,000 immigrants who entered the United States through Galveston. For the history buffs out there, you can learn about the infamous pirate John Lafitte, the immigrants that shaped our island, or the Great Storm of 1900 at the Pier 21 Theater. Visitors of the Ocean Star Offshore Drilling Rig and Museum have the opportunity to explore a retired jacked-up drilling rig with 3 floors of models and interactive displays illustrating the story of the offshore oil and gas industry. With so many things to see and do, you're going to work up an appetite. Luckily, Pier 21 is also home to some of Galveston's most popular restaurants. And being located next to working shrimp boats and Katie's Seafood, chances are your seafood will be the freshest possible. Fisherman Wharf is a Texas-sized place with an awesome outdoor patio. You've got to try their shrimp kisses, a bacon-wrapped shrimp stuffed with jalapeno jack cheese. Willie G's Seafood and Steaks offers an elegant setting. Their specialties include redfish Louisiane, snapper Lafitte, stuffed flounder, and delicious grilled salmon Soretto. A 2-time Galveston.com Restaurant of the Year award winner, Olympia Grill serves up fresh-caught seafood dishes with a Greek twist, as well as other traditional Greek fare with live weekend belly dancing, hoppin' happy hours, and one of the largest patios on the island. With so many things to see and do, why not just stay on the pier? The waterfront Harbour House Hotel and Marina sits on the original site of the Galveston Steamship Terminal, providing a unique vantage point for watching all of the activities of a working port. And thanks to a recent renovation, the 42-room hotel features a bold new look, stunning appointments, and each guest room offers an industrial motif, which is balanced with organic warmth thanks to all new lighting, flooring, bathrooms, bedding, and furniture. The Harbour House Hotel also features boat slips for boaters who are staying overnight or simply just visiting for the day. Pier 21 is not to be missed. Remember, Pier 21, one destination, endless possibilities.